Well, what we've seen in business is that there's a big gap. Many of us that believe in values-driven business find that we do things in our businesses because it's the way we feel, and we feel like it's the right thing to do. The gap is between that and whether it's actually good for business.
I was a CFO for over 20 years, and it's very hard to walk into a meeting with other senior leaders and say, we want to create culture that's more caring, more responsible, and be able to say we can do it without sacrificing the bottom line.
I've been looking for this answer for 25 or 30 years. It's like Diogenes searching for the truth. I'm searching for the right way to be a business person.
The Return on Values initiative is a joint initiative between the Center for Values-Driven Leadership and the Small Giants community, designed to study small businesses that are doing business in a values-driven way.
Well, the initiative is something that's going to be a very intensive, rigorous, evidence-based research over 3 years. Though the Small Giants community is supporting or sponsoring in terms of helping finance the initiative, providing an overall sense of direction. It is really an academic research project which will be done by folks that are either associated with Benedictine and the Center or other institutions across the U.S.
We're working to identify evidence-based research for the idea that culture matters in a community, the values matter in a community, that it has a direct impact on the bottom line and on other traditional business measures.
And first, what we want to do is we want to look at the body of knowledge that's already out there in this field around values-driven leadership, values-driven entrepreneurship. There certainly is some available. We want to take the best of that, and then we want to do case studies on real companies.
Do a real deep dig, understanding all of the policies and processes and decision-making approaches and hiring approaches and management approaches and leadership approaches that they use to build values-driven cultures.
And then publish that data, those case studies, publish data from surveys for a much larger group of entrepreneurs, and end up with the data that can be used to produce tools.
Something that an entrepreneur or a business owner or a senior leader could take into the workplace and put into use as a guide for how to be a values-driven leader.
And that might be done through webinars or books or articles, webcasts, multimedia level information that will be that practical information that people can use to develop a business in the way that we think they should. So what we're trying to do is create a legacy. We want this to have shelf life. We want this to last for years beyond when the study is done.
Next 10 years, we're going to find companies seeking out a better way to run their organizations. I found it in the Small Giants community, I found it in the Center for Value-Driven Leadership, and I think the marriage is unique, and it's going to have tremendous results within the next 10 years.